Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man wala. Okay, so yes, still at question word. We'll do Iraab now. Yes, Stevenita, Qala.
is فعل ماضي
Mm-hmm.
مبني على الفتح
Yes.
and we might have الذين كفروا is our file, right, sister?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
we'll just leave it here, yeah? And then جملة بعدها مقول no.
Mm. Because okay, so how would
Yeah,
you make sure that this is the fa'il and not anything else?
because those who did kufr said, yeah.
Mm-hmm. And then what about this one?
Yeah, this is to whom it is said, yeah, because
Yes,
it's lil.
very good. Yes,
Yeah.
correct. With the li, it's to whom is said. So definitely this must be the fa'il. Yes.
Fine.
Okay. So we say alladina is.
الذين is اسم موصول.
Mm-hmm.
Do we say مبني على something?
مبني على what?
مبني على الفتح.
Yes.
Mhm.
And then في محل.
And then في محل رفع.
Yes. في
في
محل
محل
رفع.
رفع فاعل.
Yes. And what does اسم موصول need?
So جملة بعدها صلة الموصول.
Yes.
لا محل لها من الإعراب.
Yes. Good.
And sister, in الذين also do we say that ya is showing that it is plural? Plural?
No.
No.
Because it's always going to be alladina, right? It's not
Yeah.
like una, ina kind of thing. So
Okay.
it is mabni. Yes, it's not like jamak muzakkar salim or anything like that. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then kafaru.
كفروا is فعل ماضي.
Mm-hmm.
And this is مبني على ضم.
Mm-hmm.
And الواو is ضمير متصل
Also before that, litisalihi.
لاتصاله.
Mm-hmm.
Attached
Litisalihi always be, yes, followed by the domir, right? So be wow
بواو
al jama'ah.
ضمير وجماعة.
Yes. Now you talk about the wow itself. Yes. What kind of domir?
ضمير متصل في محل رفع
Mm-hmm.
فالفاعل.
Yes. في محل رفع فاعل. Yes. Good.
Yeah.
للذين.
للذين is لي حرف جر.
Yes.
So الذين will be مجرور.
Yes. The ism mawsul, yes. We say the same
Yes.
thing.
Yes.
في محل jar
في محل جر.
instead of في محل رفع. Yes.
Yes. في
Ism
محل جر.
mawsul, في محل jar. And the whole thing is متعلق to.
This is متعلق بالفعل.
Yes.
قال.
Which is قال. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then after. Mm-hmm.
Sister, where do we say قال like جملة بعدها مقال
After
القول?
this, just before where you want to start your maqulul qawl.
Okay.
Right, so here we haven't started yet. Right? We're still talking about who's saying and saying to who, right? Yeah, so we don't say that first until we are about to do where the starting is, basically.
Okay. So now we are starting, right, sister?
We still haven't. This is alladhina, right? So it still needs a
sila. Okay.
sila, yes. So
Yeah,
this is the sila.
So جملة بعدها صلة الموصول لا محل لها من الإعراب. Same thing, yeah. And then we say آمنوا. This is آمنوا. This is again fi'l.
Yes. Oh, coughing.
Yeah. So آمنوا is again fi'l ماضي.
What's our fa'il?
Yeah, fa'il is again واو.
Yes, again whom. So yes, we basically copy this. We don't say matuf, right? This is a different sila. We have to say that.
Yeah.
So now have our sila stop for alladhina. This is amanu,
So for
definitely sila.
this is, I think now from ayu, the new thing is starting, yeah?
Yes, so this is where you say,
So now we say, jumla ba'daha maqaul al-qawl.
yes, correct. So jumlah ba'da is fi mahali.
في محل نصب.
Maf'ul.
مقول القول.
Maf'ul bihi, maqul.
Yeah.
Yes. And then ayu.
Ayu is, this is question word, right? So,
Harf or ism?
yeah, sister, that I don't remember. Ayu. No, ayu. This is the one that can change position, right, sister?
Yes, this is one that you can clearly see Dhamma,
Mhm.
Fatha or Kasra.
So
Yes.
then it has to be ism.
Yes.
Yeah. Ism istifham. So it has to be, it has to have an Iraab.
Yes.
So ayu. So this is clearly rafa, sister, yeah?
Yes. So why is it marfu?
Marfu because we can take it as mubtada.
Yes. Good.
Yeah.
Mubtada, marfu bil.
Marfu bid dhamma.
Yes. Oops. Marfu bil Dhamma. And al-fariqain.
Al-fariqaini is so uh, is it like mudaf ilayh, sister?
Yes. You
Oh,
always come with mudaf ilayhi.
yes,
Yes.
yes,
So
yeah.
this is
So
mudaf
this is
ilayhi.
mudaf
What
ilayh
status?
fi mahalli jar.
Why fi
No,
mahalli?
no. Just majroor. Majroor bil ya.
Okay. Not our normal.
Niyabatin anil kasra
Yes.
because this is jama jama muzakkar salim.
Is it Jama' Muzakkar Salim?
No,
Fariqain.
no, sorry. Dual.
Yes. What's the word for dual?
Dual is tasniya. Tasniya.
Sorry?
Tasniya.
Musanna.
Musanna.
Yes.
In
Musanna.
Urdu we say tasniya.
I see. Yes. Okay. And then khair.
Sister Khair
Hmm.
is ism tabdeel.
Yes. That's not Iraq. That's kind of word.
This is a ism tabdeel, yeah. So this is khairun. This is for comparison, right, sister?
Yes.
So do we say ism tabdeel?
That's not Iraq, right? That's just sarf.
Yes.
That's how you
Correct.
understand the meaning of the word.
This is khabar.
Yes, exactly. Khabar. So, marfu bil.
Marfu bid dhamma.
Yes. And maqaman.
Common. Would this be hal, sister?
You said that khair is ism tafdil.
Tafdeel.
When you see ism mansub after ism tafdil, what would that be?
This is yeah. This is nasr, yeah. This is nasr, mansoob. Ism tabdeel.
Okay, how would you
Tameez.
translate? Yes, exactly.
Tameez.
Yes, right?
Tameez.
This
Yeah.
is
Like in
jumlah
what way?
ismiyah.
Yes.
Yes, this is mubtada. You have your khabar,
Yes.
and you clearly, I mean, that's the
Yeah.
first thing you realize is ism tafdil. So the nasab word must be tamyiz because it's
Tameez.
clarifying. Khair is better.
Yeah.
Better in what sense, right?
In what?
Yes,
In what way?
exactly.
Yes. Yeah.
Correct. So this
Yeah.
is tamyiz.
Tameez.
Mansubil?
Mansoob bil fatha.
Yes, exactly. Okay, and then wa ahsanu?
So, do we say this? So can it be matuf, sister, on khairin?
Yes, correct. So we say
So
matu
matuf
bil
ala.
bil waw first.
Bil waw. Yes.
Yes,
Matuf bil
because
waw.
it can be matuf bil fa, it can be matuf bil summa, right? Bil aw.
Yes.
Yes. So matuf bil aw ala khair.
Ala khairin.
Yes. And Nadiyan?
Nadiyan will also be Tamiz, right, sister?
Why? Is this isn't
Because
tabdil?
as soon as isn't
Yes.
Tabdil, right? Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Yes,
Exactly.
yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't, don't let me confuse you.
Because
Yes.
the way you asked was like, no.
No, I asked because I just want to know for sure that you know.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Because see, anyway, sister, Hassan is in its like form. Like we know that Hassan is in Tabdil form, but
Yes,
Khairun is
correct.
not. So if I would
Yes.
have been confused, it would have been Khairun then Hassan.
Just in case.
Yeah, just in
Yes.
case. Yeah.
Okay. How would we translate this?
So said, like, or we can say, those who disbelieved said
Mm-hmm.
to those who believed,
Mm-hmm.
who amongst
Who are you?
are you?
There's a better
Which
word other than who?
which one?
Yes, correct. Which
Which
of?
one among which of the two parties
Mm-hmm.
is better
Mm-hmm.
in terms of place,
Um.
maqam? No, in position. In terms of
Yeah.
position.
Yes. Status, maybe position.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
status. Yes, status.
Mm-hmm.
And
And
better.
mm, mm, yes. So even though it's a different word, right? But we
Aha.
use better, maybe
Mhm.
Ahsan. Is there a better word for better?
Yeah, yeah,
Mm,
they should be. Um,
other than beautiful.
Sun is like
Let's
noble.
see.
Can we say noble?
Mm, maybe more excellent,
Okay,
more
admirable.
admirable, maybe more noble, maybe. Yeah, but that's although a bit more for karoma instead of hasinun. Yes, so maybe more excellent or more admirable in terms of Nadiyan.
In terms of Nadi is the place where they sit, right? Their place of uh, the place where they have gatherings, right, sister?
Okay, so you're thinking of okay. So actually, that is what actually is the name of that place? I think there's another word for it. Actually, Nadian is associates.
Okay, okay, associates.
Yes.
Mhm.
So yes, I know you're thinking about like the Sirah, right? The place where they sit.
Yeah,
I can't remember exactly what the term is. Yes, but
yeah,
yes, but
yeah.
it's not
Nadi, they,
actually yeah. The Nadia
nah.
itself is referring to the people, not the place actually. Okay,
Okay,
so more admirable or excellent in terms of.
associates.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
yes,
You
sister.
up for one more or you have to
Yes, of course.
rest?
Yeah. No, of course, sister. I'm
Okay,
okay. Alhamdulillah. Yes.
okay. So we're gonna skip. Okay, we have to put hatta, but hatta.
But
What is
Hatta
hatta?
is sister. Hatta is see, this is harf of jar, but when it
Yes,
comes with like we have yakul, yakula. So this is fail. This one, harf that anlan likai is an hatta. So
yes,
it has an mudmara,
yes. Very good.
between.
Correct.
Yeah,
Exactly. Okay, so
yeah.
we can say this hatta is hafja lil ta'lil. Can say that.
Nepali. Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then yakula is
So yakula is fail mudare mansub.
yes.
Yeah, because there is so where do we mention
Here.
mudmara, sister?
So we say mansub bi an
Mudmara.
mutmarah. Yes. Here we
Okay.
say. Okay.
Yeah.
Usually we say mansub bil what sign, right? So since we
Ah,
already use
ah,
B, yes, so
ah,
we might
ah.
want to use the normal one. Alamatu nasbihi is what? What's the
Uh,
sign of the
this fatha.
yes, al-fatha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Isis, you have already taught this, yeah?
Sorry,
You have
say again?
taught it. You have already taught this to us, so we can use the Iraq.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I mean, you
Yeah.
usually are you talking about the Anwar Mara or the Alamat Tupan?
Yeah. No, An Mudmara, you have
Yes,
taught it.
yes. Correct.
And
I've taught you. Yes, exactly.
yeah, you have
When we
taught it.
did implied master.
Masdar,
Yes,
Masdar, yeah. Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. And then of course, what's the fa'il of Yaqul?
Yeah. So Yakula. So this is. Can we go ahead, sister? Maybe we have
Mm-hmm.
file outside because this is
Yes,
first one,
so the
right?
ayah
So we
is here.
can. Yeah. So Rasulu is our Rasulu is file.
Yes, okay. So we say
This
fa'il.
is file.
Mm-hmm.
مرفوع بالضمة مرفوع
Yes.
بالضم.
Marfu bidamma. Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So, before we go on, maybe let's put our un. What does undo?
Okay.
What does undo?
So unmake Masdar Mu'awwal.
Yes. So
Yeah.
we usually put at the end, but because it's going to be a long one, so we might as well put it here so that we don't forget. So we
Okay,
say,
sister.
how do we say that? An,
So
wama.
وما تلاها
Good,
مصدر مؤول.
good. في محل.
Yeah. Yes.
في
So
محل.
في محل. So مصدر مؤول is so this comes as اسم. Yeah. So يقول should be مفعول, sister.
Mm-mm. It's coming after hatta. Hatta is half of jar.
في محل جر.
Yes, okay.
Mm.
في محل jar.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
It's
في
there.
محل jar. Yes. And then, actually, we have to talk about the shibu jumlah. The
Ah.
shibu jumlah is the hatta until all of it, basically. Hatta
Mm.
until wherever it will stop. Yes.
Okay.
So this shibu jumlah, obviously we don't have the context to what's before, but it's supposed to be, because it's half of jar, supposed to be
Uh-huh.
muta'alliq to something that comes before this. Okay?
Uh-huh.
So
Okay.
so I'm just gonna write here shibu jumlah hatta
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
is muta'alliq with something before. Okay?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So maybe don't put this. Put, what do I put? Bil
Then something went kabla, like something.
something. Yes. Kaza or
Yeah.
kaza, something before. Okay?
Mm.
Yes. Okay. Let me put this. Okay. Now, waladina.
So والذين is so, sister, can this also be five?
So, if we have a wow, what do we say?
Yeah. Then matuf, na?
Yes,
So
exactly.
al-wawu atifa,
Mm-hmm.
and then al-lazina is ism mawsul
Mm-hmm.
مبني على الفتح.
Yes.
Yeah. So can we say this, sister? This is file, yeah? This is
So we say fi mali what?
في محل رفع.
Then we say what? Why is it rafa?
file. File.
We say matu.
No, معطوف
Yes.
على رسوله.
Yes, exactly. Okay, clear? And
Yes.
then, of course, ism mawsul need a.
Yeah. So جملة بعدها في محل sorry صلة الموصول لا
Mm-hmm.
محل لها.
Yes. Good. And
Yeah.
then amanu.
Then آمنوا is فعل ماضي
Mm-hmm.
مبني على فتح.
Mana al-fat.
sorry مبني على ضم.
Yes. Then
So الواو is
litisalihi.
لاتصاله الواو
Be wow. Mm-hmm.
بالواو. Yes.
And the wow
And then
itself.
الواو itself is ضمير متصل في محل رفع فاعل.
Yes. Okay. Oops. Then ma'ahu.
Then ma'ahu is okay, sister. So ma'ahu uh, is it maful ma'ahu?
No, no,
No.
no. No.
Okay. So then this is zarf, yeah?
Yes. What kind of zarf?
Special mudaf, yeah? Special mudaf, yeah.
Hmm?
So with.
Zaman
So
or
zarf,
makan?
I think it should be zaman. No,
Makan,
makan.
actually. Yes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Physically
Makan.
present, yeah. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Zarf makan. Uh,
Status.
Mansoob bil fatha.
Yes. Why is it mansub?
Because so it will be because it is Mansoob because this is special mudaf. So what do we say? Because
So this
maful, it's maful. Maful.
mafu fihi, you mean?
Maful fihi, yes.
So muta'alliq to
Mutalik to um, mutalik to fail.
which fi'il?
Um, but there is no failure. But there is no failure. Yaku. No.
We have two fi'il, amanu
Yeah,
and
amanu
yakul.
and yakun. Yeah, amanu.
Yes.
It should be close to
Yes.
amanu.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Even in translation, how would you translate hatta?
Until
Mm-hmm.
said the Rasul, said the Prophet said, until the
The
messenger said.
messenger. Mm-hmm. We have matuf,
Yeah,
walladhina amanu.
and those who believed
Mm-hmm.
with him
Yes. Okay. So,
said.
yes.
Said.
Exactly. Okay. So this is, you
So
can
this is the
say,
end of. So this is end of the majroor of hatta, sister. Can we say that?
we technically after that is makulul qaul, right? To yakul.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you can argue until the end actually. Maybe
Okay.
until here. Yes. We're
Okay.
not gonna do this Irab anyway. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah. So until the end here, basically, you can argue that.
Okay.
Okay, because makulul qaul is still connected to yakul in some sense, even though yes, you treat it like a new sentence. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. So
Okay.
this ma'hu, you can say this is, what did you say just now? Muta'alliq bil
Maful.
fi'il.
Yes.
Yes, mafu
Yes.
fihi muta'alliq bil fi'il, basically. You
Amen.
can also say, there's one more way to look at this.
Um, yeah. Uh, yeah. I remember we had discussed this. Mm, either maful fihi or
Those who believe with him.
so maful ma'a
No, no, no.
with
Maful
him.
ma'a must come. So it's a nasab maful in
Ah,
nasab status,
yes,
and it
yes,
comes with a wow that has a meaning of ma'a. So in
yes,
the
yes.
Quran, in fact, maful ma'a is very rare. You don't even have to think about that.
Okay,
Mm,
sister.
yeah.
So yeah, with him, those who believed. So who believed? Yeah. So maful bihi.
No, no, no. Believe
Hmm?
with him, not who believe, with him. Maybe think about along with him.
Along with him.
No idea?
Mm, along with him. So it is Mansoor, right?
It is
So we need
mansub.
to
Yes.
look at everything that is Mansoor. So hal,
Yes. If you say hal,
ha,
what's the sahibul hal?
ha, ma'ahu. So ma'a with
What is this him going back
Rasul,
to? No, no,
Rasul,
no, 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 no. What is this him going back to?
Rasul.
Yes. So this who is going back to Rasul, right? So with him cannot be talking about Rasul himself.
Yes, yes.
So who is with him?
Allazina
Alladhina amanu. Yes. So you can
amanu.
say this is the hal of the wow jama'ah here, which is going back to alladhina here.
Ah,
Understand?
okay.
Okay.
Ah.
So if you don't get that, it's fine. Maf'ul fihi works just as fine. Okay. It won't. You will still translate the same way also.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Just that one is more like physical, right? Like maf'ul
Ah,
fihi, like they
mhm.
believe, like
Yes,
with him, like physically. Yes.
yes,
One
yeah,
is their state.
yes.
You describe
State.
them. Their state is with him. You
Mm,
see?
exactly. Yes, get
Yes.
it.
Okay. So
Got it.
in English, it is very subtle. You cannot even see. You cannot. I don't think you can translate
Yes,
nicely in English. But in Arabic, there's two things going on here. Okay. So
yes.
we say here is both is mansub. Yes. Either you say this is maf'ul fihi, so muta'alliq bil
بالفعل
fi'il, which is
آمن. آمنوا.
amanu.
Actually, in both states, it's آمنوا only, right? الذين آمنوا.
Yes, but
Even if there's
one
a حال,
is to the fi'il, one is to the fa'il. Yes,
file,
one
yeah.
is to the action, one is to the doer.
The person, the
Yes,
subject. Mm.
exactly. Okay. Or
Yes,
you can
yes.
say this is hal mean fa'il of
File,
amanu.
آمنوا. Yeah, because for hal, we need to have sahibul hal, right? Which has to be
Yes.
file. Yeah.
So here you're describing the fa'il. Here
Mm.
you're describing the fi'il, the action.
Exactly.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
And both
Yeah.
is correct. Both is going hand in hand, basically. Yes.
Yeah. Sister,
And
one question. If
mm-hmm,
we go up, please, if we go back there, yeah.
mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we say that hal has to match with the sahibul hal, right? In gender
No, no,
and
no, no, no.
no?
Depends. That is if your the word hal, if the word itself, you're using a ism fa'il, ism maf'ul, then
Mhm.
you match with whatever that you have to the sahibul hal.
Hal.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Otherwise, this is not right. This is just a zarf.
Zarf, yeah.
Yes.
Mhm.
So for jar or majrur, for zarf, this kind of words, that's why usually the ones that we have multiple i'rab most of the time is actually this kind, the jar or majrur kind, the shibu jumlah kind. You can see
Mhm.
it a few ways. But when you have a clear ism,
Yeah.
usually you have a very strong apparent one and then maybe some other choices, but that's not many. The most of the times that you have multiple i'rabs is when you are talking about shibu jumlah. Okay,
Mhm.
clear?
Yes, sister, clear. That's why, because I could not make with Ma, obviously
Mm-hmm.
Ma will not have that gender thing, right? So
Yes,
that's
that
why I was like,
correct. Yeah,
mm,
so this is when you were talking about shibu jumlah, hal maybe it's not the first thing that you think about. Usually you think about mutalik to what? Mutalik to what? That's the first thing you think about. Yes, just that now you don't think about mutalik, just mutalik bil fi'il and mutalik bil khabar. It could be other things. Yes, but the basic is usually there. Okay.
yes, yes, sister.
Okay. So and the who, we haven't talked about the who.
So who is ضمير متصل
Mm-hmm.
في
Dimana?
محل جر
Mm-hmm.
because مضاف إليه
Yes. And
مضاف
so now we start the maqulul qawl. Yes,
وقول
we
القول
have
yes.
yaqul just now. So we say
جملة
hold on.
بعدها
إضافة. Mm-hmm.
so this is
وجملة.
جملة بعدها في
Mm-hmm.
محل نصب
Mm-hmm.
وقول القول
مفعول به.
مفعول به مفعول
مقولul
القول
qawl. Yes. Good. Mata.
yeah. So mata is a question, yeah.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So so I'm still not sure if it is ism. Okay. Ism istifham.
So the only harf is Hamza and Hal. Yes.
Oh yeah, rest are all istifham. Yeah, all are ism.
Yes.
Correct,
Other
correct.
there is ism. Mm-hmm. So what is the status?
Okay.
Mata is asking
So
about what?
first, so mata is when. So it has to be
Yes.
mansoob. So it is maf'ul.
في
Yeah, it's in
محله.
mahali nasr
Why?
because this is maf'ul.
What kind of maf'ul?
Maf'ul fihi.
Yes. Okay. What kind of maf'ul fihi? As in
Okay.
zarf makan or zarf
I
zaman?
think, sister, it can be when will it come? So, it has to be zaman.
Yes. Okay.
Mhm.
And then, of course, maf'ul fihi, zarf zaman must be muta'alliq to something.
Yes.
So this is muta'alliq bil what? What do we have after that? Nasrullah.
متعلق بال so this is مضاف. This is نصر الله. But this is اسم, right, sister?
Yes.
So نصر الله, if it خبر, so it has to be متعلق بالخبر.
Okay. And what do
Um,
we say about Nasru?
so نصر الله, is it مبتدا, sister?
Yes, it is.
So then محذوف خبر, sister?
Yes. Right? You say, you're asking is, when is the help of Allah? Your answer would be, the help of Allah is
Is,
something. Yes. So the
yeah.
help of Allah is the mubtada. Okay.
Mhm.
So this is the khabar. Basically, we say mutalib bil
Yeah.
khabar. Okay. Yes. So mubtada.
Yeah. So this is مبتدا مرفوع بالضمة.
Yes. And lafzu jalala will
And
be.
this is also لفظ الجلالة will be مضاف إليه
Mhm.
في محل جر. No, sorry,
Right. في محل.
مجرور. No, sorry,
Mhm.
مجرور.
Mhm.
مجرور بالكسرة.
للتعظيم
بالتعظيم. Yes.
بالكسرة.
بالكسرة.
Yes. So what's the translation here?
Yeah.
Mata
So
Nasrullah?
when will the help of Allah come? When is the
Yes.
help of Allah coming, or
Yes.
when will?
So when is the help of Allah? Just like that, actually. Yes. But if you think about the khabar
Yeah.
being
Yes.
mazuf, yes, then you can say coming.
When come?
Yes.
Coming.
But even without that, it does actually make sense. Even in English,
Yeah.
when is the
Is.
help of Allah? Just like that actually makes sense. Okay. But if you do
Yeah.
subscribe to the muta'alliq bil khabar mahzuf, especially, then you definitely have this. For us,
Yes.
we not that we don't subscribe, but
Uh,
it's not how to say, it's not lacking in any sense. Yes.
yeah.
So even if you say when is the help of Allah, just that is suffice. Okay,
Okay.
clear? Inshallah.
Mhm.
Brother Zizi, are you here? So you can rest
Yeah,
a bit.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam
I thought
warahmatullah.
I thought today is Friday, apa ni? Thursday. Sorry.
I see. Here, inshallah. Yes. Next one. Summa.
Summa is half
Yes.
istifham.
No istifham.
No. Half ataf.
Yes. Hal ataf. Nakul.
Naqul fi'il madi
Madi.
nahnu.
Are you sure, Madi?
Eh,
Nakulu.
mudhari.
Yes.
Mudhari
Mudhari.
nahnu.
What kind? Marfu, mansub, majzum?
Marfu bil dhamma.
Yes.
Uh,
And how do you
and
say the fa'il?
fa'il
You say it's
wal
nahnu. What kind of
fa'il
damir?
domer 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 mustatir
Mm-hmm.
takdiruhu
Wujuban or
nahnu.
jawazan?
This one wujub.
Mm-hmm. Taqdiruhu nahnu.
Nahnu.
Good.
Yeah.
And then lilladhina.
wa, wa jumlah ba'daha
Is it
maf'ul
jumlah
fawd.
bada? Is it already? What about lilladhina?
No,
Is this the
not
start?
because of
Not
the
yet. So what is this?
lilladhi is jawa majrur.
Yes, li is half jar. What kind of majrur do
Uh,
we have? Alladhina. What kind of word?
isim mausul
Yes. So must be fi mahali.
fi mahali nasab.
Mm-mm.
Maaf.
Coming with li. Half of jar you said just now.
Fi mahali jar. Ya.
Yes. The whole thing is muta'alliq to what?
Ta'liq tu fi'il naqulu.
Yes.
Hmm.
And then isam mausul need a.
Silatu mausul.
So we say
Jumlah ba'daha la mahala laha minal i'rab. Ya,
Silatul mausul, yes. La mahala laha minal
minal i'rab.
i'rab. Good.
Ya.
And then, ashroku, this is your sila.
Syaku fi'il mudhari ana. No, fi'il mudhari hum. Ya.
Mudhari' or madi?
Sorry, fi'il madi hum. Sorry.
Yes.
Fi'il madi mabni
Mabni
ala
ala.
sukun.
By sukun?
Mabni ala dham.
Yes. Litisalihi.
Itisalihi waw jama'ah.
Bi waw jama'ah.
Waw jama'ah and
The waw itself.
waw jama'ah
What kind of dhamir?
dhamir muttasil mabni
Mm-hmm.
ala sukun fi
Mm-hmm.
mahali rafa' fa'il.
Yes. Does the sila end
Yeah.
here or not yet?
Ya, sila end here. Ya.
So what after this?
Wa jumlah ba'daha maqul qaul.
Yes. So we say wajumlah ba'da
Ba'daha maqul qaul.
fi mahali.
Nasab.
Yes. Maf'ul
Nasab.
bihi,
Maf'ulun bihi.
then
Ya.
maf'ulul qaul. Yes. And then aina.
Aina isim istifham.
Yes.
Mubtada.
Huh? Mubtada?
Eh?
What does aina means? Aina means what?
Where?
Aha.
Where?
Where is?
Your partners. You are partners of you all.
Okay. So what kind of word is where?
Where? I don't know. Where is partner? This one. Istifham also, right? No.
Istifham is
Yeah,
yes. But
yeah.
where is it not a kind
Zaman.
of yes, exactly. So fi mahali. Not zaman, but
Okay.
where? Makan.
Makan.
So fi mahali?
Mali nasab.
Yes. Maf'ul fihi. Zorf. Makan.
Makan, ya.
So, muta'alliq bil? Do we have a
Mutali.
jumlah ismiyah or jumlah fi'liyah after aina?
After aina, jumlah ismiyah.
So, the aina itself is muta'alliq bil?
Bil syuraka.
Bil khabar. We don't say bil mutada. Yes, we don't say muta'alliq bil mutada. So, since this is jumlah ismiyah, muta'alliq bil khabar. Okay? Clear?
Yeah.
Syuraka ukum will be,
Yeah.
say again?
Syuraka will be the this one is what? Mudafun ilaih.
Yes, but the
Yeah.
mudaf is what status?
Mubtada.
Yes. Mutada, marfu bil?
Bil dhamma.
Yes. Then the kum?
Hukum is domain mutasil
Mm-hmm.
fi mahali jar bil
Mm-hmm.
idafah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oops. Alladhina?
Alladzina isim mausul.
Mm-hmm. What is it doing here? Maybe
This
translate
one.
will help you. Thumma nakul.
Then they said to
They?
those
Nakul.
we said to
Yes.
those ashraku
Mm-hmm.
associate
Yes. Those who associate. Mm-hmm. Maybe put partners. Mm-hmm.
where is your partners?
Yes. Where is?
Which
Yeah. So what is that which?
is what? I don't know which is what.
Okay. Don't think about that first. So you said which. You translate as which. So what is it? How is it connected to syuraka?
I think jawab tu
Mm-mm. Still part of the
Not sure.
question. Not sure?
No. Where is your partner? Which
Which one? Okay, maybe translate finish. Kuntum tazumun.
you all were, you were,
Uh,
as
you all used to.
you all used to.
Mm-hmm.
Zainim is what thing,
Yeah, basically. But it's stronger than that. Like claim, you regard. You all used
Oh,
to
okay.
claim or regard.
Oh,
Okay, it's a bit stronger than think.
oh,
Okay, so now, where are your partners? Sorry.
oh,
Mm-hmm. So, what is this? Which you all used to claim, regard. How is it connected
oh.
to the partners?
Belum be.
Mm-mm. No. Is it
What is
describing
it?
the syuraka?
I'm not sure this one.
Not sure. Sister
Mm.
Vinita, any idea?
Sister, is it again the same?
The same meaning?
The hall of.
Okay. There's a better one instead of hal.
Okay. Okay, let me just think. So you're asking Al-Lazina, how is
Mm.
it
How is it
related to
connected to, yes, this
Shuraka?
sentence?
Okay.
Hal is a good guess, but there is a better way of interrupting this.
Okay.
Oh, this one is sifat. Yeah.
Yes, okay. Why not hal?
Huh?
Why not hal? So now that you know it's
I
sifa,
didn't mention hal. I didn't mention hal. Yeah.
so why not hal?
Huh?
Why
Because
cannot
hal
be
is the
hal?
condition. The condition, right?
Okay. You can argue hal describe the state. Sifa describe the thing. Yes, you can argue that.
Yes.
So it's not hal because you don't use aladina for hal. You
Yes, yes.
use, if you use an ism, you use like ism fa'il.
Mm.
Yes, okay. Plus, other than that, aladina is proper. Yes.
Yes.
Hal is nakirah.
Mm.
This is ma'rifah. Yes. So this is
Yes.
also proper.
Yes,
Syuraka
yes,
ukum because
yes.
of the kum. So
Oh,
sifa,
yes.
not hal. Okay. Hal
Exactly.
must be nakirah. That's number one. Okay. Clear? So we
Very clear.
say fi mahali what?
So,
Brother
Shuraka.
Zizi?
Fi mahali.
You say
Fi mahali
sifa
what?
to syuraka.
Fi mahali what this one?
Syuraka is what
Mahali
status?
Rafa, yeah?
Yes. Syuraka
Oh,
u is rafa, right? You say this is sifa.
fi mahali rafa. Yeah, fi mahali rafa.
Sifa li syu syuraka.
Muraka.
Clear? Can?
Ya, ya.
And? Bisa mausul ni eh?
Silatu wa jumlah ba'daha silatu mausul.
Yes. Betul. Mausul. La. Mahala. Laha. Minal i'rab. And then, what about kuntum?
Untuk fi'il madi naqis.
Yes. Oops. Fi'il. Madi. Nakis. Fi'il madi is mabni ala what?
Mabni ala sukun.
Yes. Then, litisolihi.
Itisolihi ta'al fa'ilin.
Litisolihi. Fi. Ta. Al-fa'il. No lin. And then, the ta itself.
Ta is domir mutasil. Mabni ala sukun fi mahali rafa fa'il.
You said fi'il madi nakis.
Fi mahali rafa. Sorry. Isim kuntum.
Yes, ism kuntum. And then we need a
Huh?
after
You need
ism
the
kuntum, we need the
khobar kuntum. Wa jumlah
so
ba'daha khobar kuntum.
yes. Jumlah Ba'da is fi mahali what?
Khabar kuntum. Fi mahali nasab.
Yes.
Nasab. Khabar
Khabar
kuntum.
kuntum. And what kind of
Kuntum.
word? Tazumun.
Tazun fi'il madi antum.
Madi.
Sorry, mudhari antum.
Yes. Marfu, mansub, majzum.
Marfu bil subutun nun.
Yes.
Ya.
And the fa'il. What letter is antum?
Antum.
You said this is fi'il mudhari
Antum.
antum. Yes. What letter?
Wow.
The waw is what kind of zamir?
Dhamir mutasil mabni ala sukun fi mahali rafa fa'il.
Yes. Okay. Clear? Can everyone?
Okay. Yeah.
Last one. Maybe we do this together. Sister Vinita?
Yes, sister. So Hamza is harf istifham.
Yes.
So la mahalla lahu min al-i'rab.
Yes. Istifham. La mahala laha min al-i'rab. What about the fa?
Fa is atifa.
Yes.
Atifa.
Atifa.
And then
The la.
yeah, then la is la nafi,
How do we know this is la nafi?
because the mudari that is coming is with subuti nun.
Yes. So we say fi'il.
Fi'il mudari marfu bisubuti nun.
Bisubu. And the fa'il.
And the file is wow is zamir muttasil fi mahalli rafa.
Fa'il. Yes.
Yeah, fine.
Finish
Yes,
this part.
fine.
Ilal ibili.
Okay, ila is harf jar.
So ibili is
Ibli is majroor.
sign.
And so it will be majroor bil kasra.
Muta'alliq to.
متعلق to فعل ينظرون.
Yes. Can you translate until here?
Don't you see the words?
So
do
then,
not you see?
Then don't
yeah, then.
you?
Do you not see? Don't you see the words? The camels?
Yes.
The camel.
Yes. Good. Brother Zizi? Kaifa. Kaifa khuliqat.
Kaifa istifham.
Okay. Istifham. Istifham. What's status?
Rafa.
Why Rafa?
Khobar. No, khobar.
How you translate Kaifa khuliqat?
How it being created.
Yes, how it was created. Yes.
Yeah.
So it's asking how.
How.
This one was the one that is a bit difficult. Maybe let's revise a bit. Hold on. Oh no. Hold on, sorry. Kaifa. Okay. It can be mubtada, but after that is ism. Or khobar muqaddam if it has kana. We don't have that. Yes, we are looking for a fi'il after. It can be hal if it's asking about the fa'il. Like kaifa wasala Khalid. how was Khalid when he arrived? This one you're asking about Khalid, the fa'il. Or it can be maf'ul mutlaq if it's asking about the fi'il. Kaifa nimta? How did you sleep? The sleep, asking about the sleep. The answer is, I slept a deep sleep. Okay? So is either one of this, hal or maf'ul mutlaq? What do you think? Kaifa khuliqat? How it was created.
Oh, this one is hal.
Hal. What about Sister Vinita? Agree?
Yes, sister. So one was hal and another was
Maf'ul
mutlaq, yeah?
mutlaq.
So it can also be how it was created. So it was created, I think it is more of hal.
Sorry?
Hal, I think so. How
You
was
also
it
think
created?
hal? So you're both, yes, you're both saying, so the sahibul hal is what here?
Ibli.
Yes,
Ibli.
right? It's
That's why
asking
it is.
about the ibili, basically. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So
And here,
both actually, you
so
can
sister,
argue for both. So the
yeah.
other way, it would be maf'ul mutlaq. So it's asking about how it was the created part, the fi'il.
Yeah.
Okay? So you can
Mhm.
argue for both ways actually.
Actually, yeah.
Okay? But you would translate the same way, but one is you're asking actually like about the camels, yes.
Yes.
One is asking about the creation of the camel, the act
Absolutely.
of
Yeah.
creation. Okay, not the camel, but the creation of the camel. Okay, so
Yes. Yes.
we can say either
Uh,
way, it's going to be fi mahali nasab.
mhm.
Yes,
Yes.
fi mahali nasab. Either it is hal,
Of Ibn.
yes, hal of the ta inside here, yes,
Yeah.
which is going
Yeah.
back to ibil,
Ibn.
yes.
Yes. Yeah.
So we say okay, I'm gonna put ibil first, and then number 2, maf'ul mutlaq.
Maful matlab. Okay. So it was created.
To the fi'il. Yes.
Created. Okay.
Yes.
But sister,
Okay.
if it would be maful matlab, will there be any like change in the translation? Like,
Yes, maybe you
was
put like instead of saying no, actually okay, we'll talk about that when we translate, inshallah.
okay.
Okay. What about khuliqat, brother Azizi?
Fi'il madi majhul.
Yes, fi'il madi mabni. Oops, mabni
Majhul.
lil majhul. And then mabni ala what?
Daibul fat.
Not
Mabdi
yet.
ala sukun.
Why sukun?
Mabdi ala fat. Yeah.
Yes, mabni ala fat. What about the ta?
Is the ta'nis.
Yes, ta is for ta'nis. Yes, exactly. So we say what? Fi mahali?
Fi mahali what? This one.
Or do we say la mahala?
La mahalaha minal i'rab.
Yes. And then what's the na'ibu fa'il here?
Daibul fa'il is
What's the pronoun inside khuliqat?
Here.
Yes, so domir?
Here coming back to ibili. Yeah.
Yes, so domir?
Mustatir takdiruhu ya.
Yes, jawazan takdiruhu ya.
Ya.
Which is if you want to say ta'udu ala ibili. Yes, going back to ibil. So here,
Ibili ta'udu.
hal min na'ibul fa'il, which is al-ibil. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
So when we translate, we say, then don't you see towards the camels how?
They have been created.
Yes, they have been created. If you, yeah, I don't think, yeah, actually how,
How
how,
the creation is the creator. No. Actually, it's not Like in some, it's easy to say, right? But
Yeah.
it's more
Yes.
how the
How?
creation is created, how the creation of
I mean,
camels is created.
literally,
No, it's not sounding good in English.
yeah, literally it's how they have been created. Yes. Okay. And this is maybe, if you think about it, it's actually more like the mafhum mutlaq rather than the hal. I mean, the how, yes, makes you think of hal, yes. But if you think about the rest, how we translate they have been created, or even if you put it, how it was created, yes, it sounds, I think, more like the mafhum mutlaq more than the hal. I think the hal is very difficult to make it, because we have the word created here, right? We have a fi'il here. So it's very hard to focus on the fact that we are talking about the condition of the camels itself. Yeah.
Exactly.
So
Yeah,
the
you're
hal
right.
is the difficult one to come across. But
Yes.
yeah, if you think about it, yes, this is actually mafhum mutlaq more than hal. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Any questions?
Like it's more of like how their creation came into existence, like that way. Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah. Look, like
How?
instead of create their creation was created in, if in English we can say how their creation came into existence. So this is more close to maful mutlaq because it's actually talking about the same thing, right? Existence and creation, like that.
It's still mafhum mutlaq. So you actually don't
Yeah.
have to add that this is also like mafhum mutlaq.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's the hal one that is difficult to put it across in English. Yeah.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yes. Okay. But I mean, this is the point of learning Arabic. Yeah. Like you see your translation, but you see your Arabic also. There's more going on here that you can think
Do
about.
in English.
Yes, more than here. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Clear? Inshallah. Many questions?
You're almost two-thirds of the lesson, eh? Right.
Yes. Yes. In fact,
Alhamdulillah.
the next one is negation. We'll take some time here because I divided negation into three parts and we have a lot of Irab for negation. And then after that it's going to be quite fast. After everything after negation, I think is uh very brief topics actually. So yes,
Alhamdulillah.
yeah,
So,
inshallah.
sister, if you say negation, it's like all those lam, lan, all those words.
Yes, from negating jumlah fi'liyah to jumlah
Ah, okay.
ismiyah to putting additional like zaidah like min
Ah,
and
okay.
ba. Yeah, so I put it into three categories.
Okay.
So
Uh,
yes.
Sister, those graduate you will give some sort like cuti semester, right? Am I right? Yeah.
Huh? Meaning?
Those graduate you will give some rest, maybe some sort like cuti semester or what? Yeah. Right.
I
No.
mean, haven't graduate also we take breaks. Why? You need a break end of the year? We
No,
do
no, no,
take break.
no, no, no,
No,
no,
no,
no,
sister.
no, no, no.
We'll only take break,
No.
during Ramadan, we get enough break.
Alhamdulillah. Good
Alhamdulillah.
to hear that. But yes, but we'll see, inshallah. I usually do take break for the other group. I usually take end of year break. Actually, I don't need them. But I know because the sisters there, they have family. The
Uh,
families come over during the long holiday, so we do that. But if the two of you don't want break, Alhamdulillah, that's good for
no
me
need, no
also.
need, no need, no need.
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
Maybe we target at the end of this year, maybe we'll almost finish this one. Almost. Am I right?
Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah.
Well, I don't want these classes to finish at all.
Oh well, we finished this, but we're gonna start a surah, so I'm excited for that. So yes,
Inshallah.
here, inshallah. If there's no
Oh,
questions,
this,
huh?
This
Sorry?
one, the surah also the same ni student also, am I right?
No, I will. I mean, it will be you all, and I will invite some new students. So it's not the same batch as the Baqarah. We will take in new students, inshallah.
New student means what? Means what? The student
Means
not
that
yet go
they
through the
means that they have done a bit of Arabic. Yes,
hmm?
whether from here, from me, whether from Dream, doesn't matter. I mean, because we are connected to the Dream uh the dream students. So maybe I will definitely invite some of them. So yeah, so we use the surah to apply what we've learned, also to revise. So even if they never take the classes from me
Mm.
before, right? So for you
Mm-hmm.
it's revision, for them it's something new lah, like that.
Oh,
Okay?
for sure,
Mm-hmm.
the teacher will ask the senior student, right? Okay, all right. Yes. Okay,
Expect more, yes, but I ask everyone. Don't worry.
okay,
Yes.
okay.
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 If no question, then I'll see you all on Tuesday with the new topic,
Inshallah.
inshallah. Okay.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Subhanakallahumma bihamdika la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum
Thank
warahmatullahi
you.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you,
Walaikum
sis.
assalam. Jazakallah khair, sister.
Wa iyyakum.